In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra spacing in PowerPoint presentations. Whether you're a student preparing for a big presentation or a professional looking to polish your slides, eliminating unnecessary spacing can make your content look much clearer and more professional. So let's dive right into this straightforward process. To begin, you need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it already opened, just find the icon in your applications or search for it in your menu and double click to open. Once PowerPoint is up and running, go ahead and navigate to the presentation you're working on. Simply open the file where you're encountering those annoying extra spaces. With your presentation open, the next step is to locate the specific slide where the spacing issue occurs. Click on the text box or paragraph box that contains the text you wish to adjust. This will highlight the section you're working on and show the bounding box, making sure that any changes you make will only affect this part of the presentation. Now let's move on to the formatting. Head over to the Home tab on the top menu bar of PowerPoint. This is where you'll find most of the basic formatting tools. Once you've made your way to the Home tab, look carefully for the small paragraph dialog box launcher. This is usually represented by a small icon, often found within the paragraph group. Clicking on this will open a more detailed paragraph settings menu where you have greater control over spacing specifics. Within this dialog box, focus your attention on the spacing options. You'll see fields labelled before and after, indicating the space before and after your text. To address the extra spacing, you'll want to adjust the before field. Use the up and down arrow keys to modify the numbers, or click directly within the field to change the value to 0, effectively eliminating any preset spacing from the text element you're working with. Remember, slight adjustments can make a big difference, so feel free to preview these changes by clicking OK to see how your text layout improves. Fine-tuning the spacing can give your slides a professional edge and make them easier to read. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully removed extra spacing from your PowerPoint presentation, leaving you with neatly aligned content that enhances readability and overall presentation quality. Practice this a few times, and soon enough you'll be doing it in seconds. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out our other tutorials on presentation tips to enhance your skills further. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next presentation.